So I'm going to show you what's the best exhaust to get on your new Tacoma, if everyone's wondering. This is just my opinion. Might get some hate for this, but let's give you a look. The best exhaust to get for your new Tacoma. Let's check it out. What do we got under here? Let's see. All you need is the Trail Hunter style exhaust. This is the one from SXTH Engineering. I can't even say it. But yeah, it deletes 15 pounds of weight. Get rid of that ugly tailpipe that hangs down low in the rear, and you won't hit it when off-roading. And this is insane clearance. You won't have issues with this. So yeah, just wanted to show you. Just get the turn down Trail Hunter exhaust. That's all you need. Because really guys, Tacomas do not sound good with exhaust. The new ones and the old generation ones. I mean, really, 4 cylinders don't sound good at all with exhaust unless it's a WRX STI or a really modified turbocharged engine, which this isn't. So yeah, might get some hate for saying it, but all you need is a turn down, you know, that Trail Hunter style exhaust. It still sounds like stock. When you're in low RPM or cold starts, you'll hear it. It'll be a little noisier, but that's about it, just on a cold start. And yeah, that's all you need. Just wanted to do a quick video. Say hi to Athena. And yeah, have a good day.